Hello friends, welcome back. Let's continue with the Power Query concept, and here we are having a file. Let me just show you how the file is. Now I have just created this file by downloading from internet, and for just checking I have deleted some values under the gender column. Okay, so this is an example where, let's say, I'm deleting some more here. Now if this is the situation where you have got some data where some values are missing, and let's save this. Okay, and let me open it in Power BI now, and we'll see how we can use the Power Query to transform that data. So again, I'll go back to blank report, and we'll go to import data. Okay, and let me go to that file. Okay, let it load. Okay, so now we have got the data. Now here itself you can actually create the data using the transform data option. So let's go to transform data option. It will open the Power Query editor right there. Okay, now the point is, wherever the gender is there and if it is missing, automatically Power BI will bring it as null values. Okay, so here you can see that wherever it was missing, it has put as null values here. Now if you don't want to call it as null value, you can do one thing. Just right click on this and go to transform, and we can go to or sorry, you can go to replace values here. Okay, and here you will say what you want to replace. So I want to replace null and replace it with, let's say, uh, data missing, something like this. And when you click OK, you will see that the data missing value has come here. Okay, now one more thing you can observe, that on the right side you are getting the applied steps. That is, it will tell you what you have done in the process of transforming the data. Okay, so here we have replaced some values, like here, no, it was null and now it has become data missing. Okay, now if this step you don't want to have, just you can remove that step. Now it will just revert back to where it was. It is more like undo option. Okay, this also can be done using columns. Like if you go to transform here, you will get transform, and then you can get replace values. Here it is, and replace values, same thing. So you can either go by right click or you can go by the menus over here. So let us go again here and say null. So to find null and to replace it with, let us just call it as missing, and OK. So wherever the value was not available, it has now given as missing, like this. Okay, and then you can just click on the X here. It will ask you whether you want to apply the changes. You can say yes, and that's it. So now your data is available, and it is now having the, I'm just waiting for the, it is having the data for gender, and wherever there is missing, it is mentioned as missing instead of null. Okay, so there is one more example where you can use the Power Query feature of Power BI. So please go ahead and try it for yourself. And one more thing, the file which I have got it here, file example, that you can get it from internet like this. Go to a new window in the Chrome and just search for sample Excel files. So you will get some sample Excel files under file examples download option. So just go there, and here it will give you some sample files. So you don't have to worry about typing the data, right? So you can go for 100 rows, 50 rows, or 10 rows. So for example, let's go for 10 rows. Click on download. It will start downloading the file. And as you can see here, it has already downloaded in my downloads folder. So if I open this, let's see what we have. Yeah, so we have the same thing. First name, last name, gender, country, age, date, some kind of date here, and then ID. So this is all sample data actually, but this is only 10 records. The one which I had downloaded was for 100 records, like that. So please follow all these steps and you should be able to start using the Power Query feature of Power BI. In the next video, let's look up for the next concept. Thank you.